Informatics Management at 4.0. The world has been entering the new era of Industry 4.0, which technology information has become the basis of human life. Of course, it attracts people to study and lecture about information technology, and it will produce a lot of graduates, one of which is a graduate in informatics management. However, to face Industry 4.0, an informatics management graduates require not only hard skills but also soft skills. An informatics management at least must to have three abilities. There are critical thinking, creativity, and people management. An informatics management graduate must have a critical mindset. Without critical thinking, it is hard for us to face many problems. Said at Glimmer in Kuswana, thinking is a thing of problem solving and the process of using ideas. It means that by thinking critically, we can also solve problems systematically, or it can be called problem solving ability. Moreover, when we have a problem, critical thinking will form a strategy that will improve the results and feedback as we expect. Of course, this ability will be very useful for an informatics management graduate when working, because it will be very reliable by the company or place he works. Another crucial ability that must to have an informatics management graduate is creativity. As we know, a creativity there is the ability to find something unique. An informatics management can also innovate from existing one. The most important thing is that something new and unique is beneficial for people's lives. As an informatics management, we must be able to maximize opportunities in the 4.0 era by connecting ideas for future innovation and highlighting this moment as a platform to reformulate the definition and implementation of things that are needed in the future. Lastly, as an informatics management must be able to organize, lead, and utilize human resources appropriately and effectively. People management is the science and existence of labor relations and work to be effective and efficient in helping the realization of company, employee, and community goals. From Hasibuan 2002. It means that we must be able to coordinate with other people. Furthermore, when we are at work, we will meet a variety of people and we have to be able to socialize, negotiate, decision making, etc. So, it will create a very good atmosphere within the CO workers' environment. An informatics management at Industry 4.0 have at least the abilities to have a critical thinking, creativity, and people management. Without having that abilities at Industry 4.0, we can become like robots. Remember, we are the operator. Informatics management graduates who gear themselves with many soft skills as mentioned above are highly required at the work. So there are no need to worry about facing Industry 4.0.